In the unified theory of you, Larkey tackles one of the most profound and enduring questions in cosmology and metaphysics, the paradox of the infinite universe. This paradox challenges the conventional understanding of space, time, and existence, questioning how the universe can be both infinite and dynamic, and how finite beings can exist within an infinite context. Traditional cosmology has long struggled to reconcile these concepts with observable phenomena. However, Larkey's theoretical framework offers a groundbreaking and illuminating resolution to this paradox, weaving together elements of divine consciousness, fractal space-time, and multidimensional reality. At the heart of the paradox is the idea that the universe, despite its infinite nature, must operate within a structured and comprehensible framework. This framework, according to Larkey, is rooted in the concept of divine consciousness. The universe is not a random, chaotic expanse, but a deliberate manifestation of divine consciousness, where every particle and wave of energy is a projection of the Creator's will. This divine consciousness is synonymous with light, representing an uncontainable essence that permeates the entirety of space-time. The entry of divine consciousness into the void marks the beginning of space-time. In Genesis, this is poetically described as the Spirit of God hovering over the waters, Genesis 1:2. This act of divine presence transforms the void into a dynamic, living universe. As God's light enters the void, space-time emerges as an infinite fractal structure. This fractal nature implies that space-time is not a fixed, linear entity, but a continuously evolving, self-similar pattern. Each part of space-time, no matter how small, mirrors the whole, creating a universe that is infinitely interconnected and boundless. To illustrate this concept, Larkey uses the analogy of a tree. A tree grows in fractal patterns where each branch and leaf represents a smaller, self-similar part of the whole. Similarly, space-time can be visualized as a vast tree, where each leaf represents a different moment or point in space and time. These leaves, while similar, experience reality in slightly different ways depending on their position within the tree. This analogy highlights the interconnectedness of different points in space-time and the infinite nature of the universe. The uncontainable nature of divine light further complicates the paradox. Divine consciousness, represented by light, is inherently uncontainable. Finite structures within space-time cannot fully encompass this divine presence, resulting in the perpetual expansion and fractal nature of the universe. As beings made of the same divine substance, human consciousness also transcends physical and temporal boundaries, aligning with the infinite nature of the universe. This perspective provides a profound explanation for the interconnectedness of all existence and the continuous evolution of consciousness. Larkey's theory posits the existence of a 10-dimensional matrix within our solar system, where each dimension corresponds to specific planetary influences and attributes related to the creation and culmination of life. These dimensions are both physical and spiritual in nature, reflecting the interconnectedness of physical and metaphysical realities. While the 10 dimensions provide a structured order within our solar system, they extend as fractals through the infinite dimensions of space-time, highlighting their interconnectedness with the broader universe. Central to this framework is the subtle magnetic field, or SMF, a unifying field that governs the interaction of consciousness and matter within space-time. Originating from beyond the 10th dimension, the SMF represents the substance of the Creator. It serves as the medium through which divine light and consciousness are projected into space-time, allowing consciousness to influence and shape space-time according to the Creator's design. This mechanism highlights the passive nature of space-time, which responds to divine will and consciousness, similar to how a copier responds to commands from a computer. The SMF's role underscores the dynamic interplay between the structured dimensions of our solar system and the infinite fractal nature of the universe. This interplay resolves the paradox by demonstrating that the finite and the infinite coexist in a state of perpetual adaptation. Finite beings, such as humans, are manifestations of divine consciousness within the structured dimensions, yet they are also part of the infinite fractal expanse of the universe. This duality allows for the continuous evolution and expansion of consciousness, aligning individual experiences with the broader cosmic reality. In summary, Larkey presents a revolutionary approach to understanding the paradox of the infinite universe. By viewing the universe as a manifestation of divine consciousness, structured yet infinitely expansive, Larkey bridges the gap between spirituality and science. This theory offers profound insights into the nature of reality, the interconnectedness of all existence, and the continuous journey of consciousness towards higher states of enlightenment.